Okay. So ብዙዎቻችን ብዙ ነገሮች ላይ ቤተር መሆን እንፈልጋለን እንላለን። ግን ብዙዎቻችን ደግሞ like daily ለእንደዛ አይነት ነገር የሚሆን ጊዜ የለም or we don't make the time. And realize ያደረኩትኝ እንደዛ ካላረኩኝ almost in my life I'm not going to get better at anything. So that's why በየቀኑ አንዳንድ ነገሮችን ማድረግ የጀመርኩት including posting content on YouTube almost every day. So ችግሩ ምንድነው? ብዙዎቻችን motivated እስክንሆን ድረስ or motivation feel እስክናደርግ ድረስ እንጠብቃለን። ከዛ ደግሞ ይሄ ቦሪንግ የሆኑትን ስቴፖች ሳናልፍ ሪዘልቱን እንጠብቃለን እና ደግሞ like ደግሞ ደጋግሞ ማድረጉ ኦቨርኪል እንደሆነ አድርገን ነው የምናስበው። and ስንጀምር ያለን ፋውንዴሽን ደግሞ ኦቨርስቲሜት እናደርጋለን because ስለ ሀሳቡ ብዙ ስለሰማን ብዙ ስላነበብን or ብዙ ፕላን ስላደረግን ስንጀምር የሚኖረን ስቴፕ we overestimate እናደርጋለን or ፋውንዴሽናችን ስንጀምር at anything ሁሌም weak እንደሚሆን underestimate እናደርጋለን and we think okay ፋውንዴሽኑ አለን መሰረታዊ ነገር እናውቃለን ሞቲቬሽኑን ያጣን ማን ብለን እናስባለን። ግን literally motivation አይደለም እንትን ያለን all we need is exposure እና ብዙ ጊዜ ገና እንደጀመረ ምናምን አሪፍ ምንሆን ይመስለናል what skill በሉት ስራ whatever it is ግን the first few weeks the first few months actually skillውን build ማድረግ ሳይሆን tolerance ነው build የምናደርገው እዛ ነገር ላይ መቆየትን የሚያስችለን emotionally physically whatever it is tolerance ነው build የምናደርገው ከስኪሉ በፊት and የመጀመሪያዎቹ let's say months or 2 or even 3 in some cases ይሄ ጥሩ ካለ መሆን ጋር comfortable የምንሆንበት ጊዜ ነው which is ምንም ነገር ላይ ስንጀምር ጥሩ ሆነን አይደለም የምንጀምረው የፈለገ ሪሰርች ብናረግ የፈለገ ብናነብ የፈለገ ብንሰማ ሰው ብናማክር አይዲያውን ብናወርድ at the end of the day most things የምርም አፕላይ ማድረግ መቻል አለብን ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ መቻል አለብንና ፕራክቲስ እናደርገው for the first time we're going to be bad at it. It doesn't matter ከዛ በፊት የሰራነው homework until we master it we're going to be bad at it. So we have to get comfortable with being bad. እና በየቀኑ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ የሚያግዘው እሱ ነው. you get not being good ወይም ደግሞ ጥሩ ካለ መሆን ጋር ተያይዞ የሚመጣውን ኢሞሽናል ቻርጅ ሪሙቭ ያደርገዋል because we deal with it daily it becomes our new normal እና ፍርሃታችንን እየቀነሰው ይሄዳል because almost everything ስንጀምረው ነው because we have this assumption about the thing and what the outcome will be fearful የምንሆነውና ዴይሊ ማድረጋችን ፊራችንን ይቀንሳል which in turn increases our mastery, right? So right now I think my 34th video on YouTube and I've been doing this almost for the past 30 ቀን. There were some days where I posted more than one video. Another reason I'm doing this every day is so that I want to get comfortable in front of the camera because I'm a very private person and video record አድርጎ ፖስት ማድረግ was not my thing, so comfortable መሆን አለብኝ and doing that every day helps. And I want to be a better communicator. It's one of the skills that I'm working on. So the more ሀሳቦችን መገለጽ ቁጥር the more videos record ባረኩኝ ቁጥር I'm getting better at and it helps. And I'm growing and learning and building in public. So sumala and then content ትልቅ leverage ነው and for the businesses that I'm building I need to do the same. So personally ደግሞ ማድረግ it helps me with that and yeah በየቀኑ ማድረግ በየቀኑ something figure out እንዳደረግ በየቀኑ የሆነ ነገር እንደማር ምናምን ነገር ፎርስ ያደርገኛል። and because I'm creating content and because I'm publishing content, I have to think about ideas. ስለምን እንዳፈር I have to organize that mental process. I have to go through every day እና that kind of conditions my brain. any ነገር ሳስቡ this could be turned into content, so on and so forth. so በየቀኑ አንድ ነገር ስታደርጉ happen የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? አንዴ የመጀመሪያው your brain adapt ያደርገዋል and identityያችሁ shift ያደርጋል። I'm literally now when I'm thinking about ideas or reading a book or having a conversation with a friend, after I do it, I get some content ideas automatically. That's because my brain is adapting to think things in terms of content as well, and over time that becomes your identity as well. So now skillachu compound yaadagal. So every day you do something, you're also learning something new, and naturally እንደዛ ሲሆን ደግሞ skill compound ያደርጋል። and then ለነገሮች ያላችሁ ፍርሃት completely ነው wiped out የሚሆነው እና so feedback ከምንም በላይ ደግሞ feedback loop ያጥራል። for example, I want to be good at content creation, communication, ወዘተረፈ. so let's say if I do it once a week, so basically feedback ልናገኝ የምንችለው አክት ስናደርግ ነው, and the further away the action is የምናገኘው feedback, our feedback loop becomes very 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 long. improvement እና growth ላይ ደግሞ especially ቶሎ ማደግ ከፈለጋችሁ you want the feedback loop to be short. የሆነ ነገር ታደርጋላችሁ፣ የሆነ feedback ታገኛላችሁ፣ ከዛ ያንን feedback ወስዳችሁ ደግሞ improve አድርጋችሁ for next እንትላላችሁ። so the part of doing it daily is that okay, ዛሬ ሹት አደረኩኝ ምናምን maybe audio ጥሩ አልነበረም, so what can I do to improve the audio, or what can I do to improve the frame, editing, whatever, content structure, like whatever it is, daily that feedback loop shortens, and the more you do it and daily ያደርጋችሁ ስትሄዱ እንትን ይሆናል feedback loop ያጥራል, and momentumአችሁ በቃ that your normal rhythm ይሆናል. and in general አንድ ነገር ለማድረግ ቢልድ ለማድረግ or grow ለማድረግ ስንፈልግ we're not going to get good at anything by just thinking about it. The only way we can get good at it is by doing it every day. Not forever, just ይሄ ሀቢቱ ኖርማል ሆኖ autopilot እስከሚሆን ድረስ you have to do it every day. ምክንያቱም intellectually ጭንቅላታችሁ ብቻ ሳይሆን አዳፕት ማድረግ ያለበት emotionally, physically, in every aspect of your life, it has to become your normal. Once it becomes your normal, you don't even have to think about it because it runs on autopilot. Because again, you have to do it every day. So that's why I'm creating content every day and posting every day, and that's why I think you should. So if there is anything you want to grow, ማሳደግ የምትፈልጉት ሀቢትን ቢዝነስን whatever it is, እና whatever it requires for you to develop the most, find out a way to do it every day and do it until it becomes your new normal and until it becomes autopilot. So hope this was helpful.